What if a safety risk is happening right now and nobody can see it? Because the biggest blind spots on a construction site cannot be seen from the ground. That's why construction leaders are looking up. Meet viAER, viAct's autonomous AI drone built for construction intelligence, delivering real-time aerial visibility across dynamic construction environments. While your teams focus on building, viAER is already watching from above, continuously analyzing site activity in real time. But visibility shouldn't stop where a camera ends. viAER extends monitoring across the project, reducing blind spots and uncovering what fixed cameras miss. And once those blind spots disappear, site teams gain a live aerial view of non-compliances, unsafe behaviors, and developing risks as they happen. Every observation captured by viAER flows directly into 4S Plus, connecting aerial intelligence with site operations. As risks are detected, alerts are instantly delivered to supervisors and stakeholders, enabling faster intervention on site. Behind every inspection is a drone designed for efficient low-altitude operations across active construction environments. Depending on project priorities, specialized AI engines can focus on safety performance, productivity monitoring, or progress tracking. Beyond monitoring today's activity, viAER helps teams visualize change by comparing progress across different project stages. When issues are identified, follow-up inspections help verify that corrective measures have been completed and site conditions have improved. The result is more than visibility. Through Agentic AI in vHub, aerial observations are automatically transformed into reports, insights, and recommendations. One drone, unlimited AI detections. Reimagine construction monitoring with viAER from viAct.